Hello everyone, I'm Avni and welcome back to Justify. I will be taking classes for grade 8 of all subjects, but today we are going with up science and I will also be simultaneously teaching with Anshuman sir from now on. So let's begin with today's chapter. It is electricity, magnetic and heating effects, right? So, yeah, no worries. Let's come up fine. So there's a story given. It was the day of the science exhibition and the school was buzzing with energy. Mohini and Akash, along with their friends, went from one exhibit to another, eagerly exploring different models, asking questions, and taking notes. So there was one model which fascinated them a lot. जो कि था कि there was an electromagnet displayed by their senior. तो basically क्या था it was like a typical crane, like an iron nail was wrapped with a wire. You might guess, and I will be taking all the guesses at the end of the page, which was connected to a battery. Closing the circuit, iron nail picked up the paper clips. Fine. And when she opened, basically broke the circuit, the clips fell off. So they were surprised, but what was the logic? We have read about it in grade 6 and grade 7 both. Fine, let's go up with these questions, and then I'll be asking you guys. If we don't have an electric lamp while making an electric circuit with an electric cell, is there any other way through which we can find out if current is flowing in the circuit? Yes, there is the way, and that way is to test it with an electromagnet. And that we'll be learning what exactly electromagnet is and all. Is there possible to make temporary magnets? And if yes, how can these be made? Yes, it's possible through electromagnets. एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस में मोस्टली नाइक्रोम वायर मैं कुछ नोट्स जो भी बता रही हूँ ना जस्ट नोट देम अप डाउन फाइन तो yes, heat can be generated by nichrome wire. Basically, heat can be generated in a wire which has high resistance. So, like nichrome wire has very high resistance, due to which the heat would be generated. How do we know if a cell or a battery is dead? Can all cells and batteries be recharged? We can get to know this by testing by LED, right? Or electromagnet and all other processes we'll be learning in the chapter as well. And all cells and batteries cannot be recharged, but there are new and some kind of batteries जो अभी रिचार्ज होने वाली आई हैं. आप पढ़ोगे तो पता लगेगा. Also, हमने ये तो जाना ही नहीं कि भाई इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आखिरकार होता क्या है. So just note the point down. Electricity is the flow of electron, proton and neutron. अब आप लोग कहोगे कि भाई क्या पढ़ा रही है, इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन होता क्या है. तो प्रोटॉन होता है जी आपका पॉजिटिवली चार्ज्ड, इलेक्ट्रॉन इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिवली चार्ज्ड एंड न्यूरॉन डजंट हैव एनी चार्ज. फाइन. So next page we'll be continuing in the next part. So till then, bye bye.